look at the actual ECB day, and what I'm looking for all the time is to go with the initial move. So ECB day sets up, we get a strong outside reversal bar on this 15-minute chart. So this is basically when we take out the prior highs and we close below the prior lows. So we've got an outside reversal bar, we then extend down a little bit more and then come back. So this is the initial move. This is when Draghi just basically starts sitting down. You always get the initial move just before he sits down and starts talking. The market starts going mental. Okay, it's mostly just algorithms running stops both sides of the market. But it's the initial move you want to trade. So the initial move comes down, it pulls back, and it's the pullback you want to get in the market. You want to start shorting on the 50% retracement, especially when it's in confluence with the value area. How do you know there's activity starting to take shape here? Is because of the high volume. Alright, so basically you've got A, B, C.
Sorry, I don't know that.
Alexa thinks I'm talking to her. And D down. So even though the CD leg extends much further than what the AB was, that's irrelevant. That's actually been in your favour. Okay, but that's typically the pattern that forms every single ECB meeting. Now it doesn't have to be the downside, obviously it can be the upside, but you want to go with the initial direction, the initial momentum move. So an initial momentum move is to the downside here. You can see that's 145. So that's basically when Draghi starts talking here. Sometimes it happens just before he starts. Sometimes it happens as he starts. Sometimes it happens just after. How you actually form your targets. It should, at the minimum, as I mentioned, at the minimum, be equal to the A and B leg minimum. Okay, but typically what you want to do is just trade the X1, X2, X3 of the IB extension, and normally on a ECB day you do get an over exaggeration of the move. It tends to turn into a trend. So basically X1, X2 and X3 of the IB range. So there's the IB high, IB low. You can see it breaks above and below that particular day. It turns into a neutral day because it breaks both sides of the initial balance. So buyers and sellers were present. Try to position for ECB and so on. But once you've got that initial move, you trade the pullback, you trade it down into initial balance extension 1, initial balance extension 2, and typically you want to be fully out at extension 3 on the initial balance on ECB day. Okay, what I tend to do is